Hi, I'm Kevin Dooley from Arizona State University. I want to talk to you today about our CAPS research project, Measuring and Managing Supplier Innovation. My colleague on this project was Dr. Tingting from Wayne State University. The goals of this project were to create a survey that had three parts, allowing an organization to assess its current supply base and their innovation performance, potential new suppliers and what potential they have to provide value to the firm around innovation, and then allowing an organization to assess their own capability to gain value from supplier innovation. We took a multi-step approach to developing the survey. We first looked at both academic and practitioner literature to see how innovation was being measured, especially in the supplier context. We then developed a set of metrics and interviewed CAPS member organizations to get a better sense of the practicalities of measuring and managing supplier innovation. And then we developed a draft survey, provided that back to members and got feedback, and finally came up with a final instrument that we hope to test here in the near future with some of you. Supplier innovation can emerge from two different places. Suppliers can create an innovation, like a new piece of software, and push that to downstream buyers, or a buyer may request innovation from a supplier, especially around a new product or service introduction. And that can lead to both incremental changes in product process, as well as breakthrough and really radical changes, allowing significant new business opportunities for the buying organization. We asked CAP member organizations how important is supplier innovation, and you can see from the propensity of responses here to the right of the chart that in general most of our CPOs thought that supplier innovation was critical to their own success. We asked a follow-up question: do you think suppliers' past innovation performance predicts its future innovation potential? And the answer was either no or it depends. And so that led us to our two parts of kind of the same notion. We want to be able to look at past performance, but we also want to look at indicators of future supplier innovation performance. We asked on a scale of 1 to 7, first of all, in the red, do you have systems that can evaluate supplier innovation? And then secondly, do you have a system that actively puts those innovations into practice? And you can see the majority of answers here are to the left of the chart, indicating that while CPOs think this is an important topic, they don't feel their organization systems today have the capability to really gain value from it. So let me briefly describe the three parts of the survey. The first part of the survey is aimed at measuring a supplier's past innovation performance. And we see both the respondent, or the person filling out the survey, as well as the customer of the survey, to be the procuring organization, who's going to look at their previous experiences with the supplier and provide input as to that performance. The second part of the survey looks at indicators of a supplier's ability to provide value or innovation value in the future. And while some of this may come from perceptions of the procurement team, there also may be pieces of this information that are available online in the public domain, especially around public larger companies, or this may be information that a research organization might need to assist you in piecing together. The third part of our survey measures the organization's current capability or maturity in identifying, assimilating, and getting value out of supplier innovation. Our recommendations are, first of all, that organizations do need to assess their supply base, both in terms of past and future potential around supplier innovation. That even if you have innovative suppliers, you also must attend to your own organization and processes and systems ability to gain value from that supplier innovation. That includes, very importantly, developing a culture that is open to taking ideas from the outside from critical suppliers. And then for those buyers and suppliers that do engage in innovative activities, make sure that those positive actions are recognized within the organization. I want to thank CAPS Research for sponsoring this research project, and my colleague Dr. Yan for conducting this research. And if you're interested in learning more about this research or engaging in this topic further, please make sure to contact CAP Research. Thank you.